If you are over 40 and still drinking raw beet juice straight out of a glass, you are accidentally draining away 4/5 of its circulatory power. Most men trying to reclaim their physical drive and daily stamina have no idea that a subtle chemical barrier inside the body is locking away these active vascular compounds before they ever reach the bloodstream. Today, we are uncovering a hidden protocol used by experts to bypass this exact wall. Stay right here, because this isn't just another generic smoothie recipe. It is a clinical-grade key to restoring natural male endurance and physical control from the comfort of your home. Think of a silent switch hidden right on your kitchen counter, waiting to restart your internal biological engine. We aren't talking about a temporary energy bump or a standard health tip. We're talking about fundamentally rewiring blood flow to the vital areas where you thought age had permanently slowed things down. As you cross 40, the inner smooth muscles of your vascular walls naturally stiffen, and your tissue's ability to manufacture its primary vessel-relaxing gas drops significantly. This targeted strategy, combining the nitrate-dense power of raw beets and the biological catalyst of baking soda, was built specifically for the man who wants to step back into complete confidence, physical stamina, and performance just like he had decades ago. Why does this transformation happen in a tight 15-minute window? And why is that tiny pinch of baking soda so non-negotiable? Medical science highlights a fascinating mechanism. The moment dietary nitrates from fresh beet juice contact your mouth, beneficial tongue bacteria begin converting them into active precursors. However, the harsh acidic environment of your stomach often degrades these delicate compounds before they reach full absorption. That single pinch of baking soda completely changes the equation. It acts as an instant pH buffer, neutralizing harsh stomach acid and creating an alkaline fast lane that rushes those nitrates straight into your bloodstream as pure nitric oxide. Once inside, this primary natural vasodilator signals the arterial lining to loosen, open wide, and flood oxygen-rich blood directly to your heart, brain, and pelvic tissue, delivering a physical surge you can literally track in your pulse. Here is how to craft this high-performance protocol in your kitchen with exact precision. First, gather your base liquids. You need half a cup of raw, freshly extracted beet juice to secure the highest nitrate count. Second, add the trigger. Drop in a tiny pinch of pure baking soda, just enough to cover the tip of a small spoon. Third, watch the chemical shift. The mixture will immediately begin to effervesce and foam up. This lively reaction visually demonstrates the change taking place in the liquid. Here is the golden rule. Allow the fizzing to settle completely before taking a sip. Letting the reaction finish inside the glass prevents uncomfortable gas or bloating, ensuring the active nutrients hit your bloodstream cleanly. Fourth, time your intake. Drink this mixture on a clear stomach about 30 minutes prior to intimacy or physical exercise, or make it your very first morning ritual to set a strong, energized foundation for the whole day. How do you confirm that this protocol is actively opening up your circulation? Try this quick physical assessment 15 minutes after finishing your glass. Stand up tall, take a deep, full breath, and hold your arms straight out to your sides. Pay attention to how effortlessly your lungs recover and how quickly warmth spreads into your hands and feet. If you feel an immediate surge of lightness and energy throughout your limbs, your vascular system is operating with the elasticity and efficiency of a man half your age. Always remember, the baking soda is the initial spark, while the beet juice are the rich fuel keeping your system running at maximum output. Run this protocol 3 times a week and watch how your daily vitality, physical strength, and confidence rebuild with every passing day. Don't keep this secret to yourself. Share it with every man over 40 who wants to regain his natural strength. I want to hear from you down in the comments. Drop your age below and let me know if you have ever tried adding a pinch of baking soda to raw beet juice like this before, or if you are going to try preparing it with this method tonight. Let me know your results down below, so we can recognize the heroes who began their journey to reclaim their youth today. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe right now.